What's up, y'all? It's Timmy, and we're going to the Little Susitna River today. I'm going to take you whitewater kayaking. Let's go. I don't know if I ever showed you guys this, but this is a guidebook for Alaska that I wrote back in 2007. It's been a couple years on it now, but it's basically like just a whole guidebook of the state, river maps, crazy runs, I don't know. But anyway, the river we're going to today is right here. It's the Little Susitna River, and pretty fun run. Nothing too crazy. It's probably got a good bit of water in it today, so hopefully it looks somewhat like this. As you guys know, gas prices are getting a little bit crazy right now. It's like $5.50 a gallon in Alaska, almost $6 a gallon for diesel. So we're not going to take the truck today. We're going to take the $600 car. Let's load it up. I think the water is actually pretty low where we're going today, so I'm not going to bring the 9R2, the Piranha boat. I'm going to take the Eskimo Salto here. So let's load her up. All right, we're loaded up. I'm gonna go head up the highway. We're gonna go pick up Trip and go pick up Liz Embick, who I haven't paddled with in forever. So this should be a good day. Let's go. So for those of you guys that are not familiar with my channel, this is my $600 car, Little Satan. It's a 1990 Toyota Corolla All-Track, push button 4-wheel drive. Pretty sweet. You come down here and press the auto button, which locks the center differential, which engages the front and rear drivetrain at the same time. Pretty sweet, pretty awesome. And still gets 33 miles a gallon. A little better gas mileage than that beast. Let's go. Check out this Black Hawk helicopter flying down the highway. It's crazy, it just flew like right over us. Yeah. Access. Changing your
I had not done anything. This was after I was back. I only did it like last week.
Beauty of a 30-foot van life right there. 3 full-size creek boats under the bed. Yeah. Oh yeah.
30.
Come on.
Then you this time it was 3 people from North Carolina who don't normally, but you know, they all know each other. We were all good friends back 15, 20 years ago, but they normally don't hang out together. And I was like,
Everyone's smiling.
My name's Timmy Johnson, and I tell stories.
That's right.
Got my lighter. The MSR stove. Death tonight, or have no hot food. But actually, that's not true because the auto starter always works.
Yeah, it's a little filled in. So this is it. We're heading into the Little Sioux River, Little Susitna. This is up in Hatcher Pass. Probably one of the better runs up here. It's kind of low right now, but it should be good. Get the extra dry skirt?
Extra dry.
Oh yeah. Nice. Actually couldn't get mine on in 6 Mile the first run of the season. Like literally had to, yeah.
That was like,
do the same thing. Is there like an extra large ran for piranhas? Or is there like, XXL. I think I need a bigger XXL. Yeah, there's just a large ran. That's what's going on. I wish every run was this inviting, just like blue and granite. It's pretty. It's a super fun river. Oh yeah. Yeah, here we are in the middle. It's like the middle of June. That looks a little ominous. Wow. So we got an avalanche crossing the river, probably 30, 40 feet tall. I don't think we should try to paddle through it. Probably you can tell it ripped down a whole bunch of trees, which means there's probably trees and wood in there. Oh my God. Wow. Pretty crazy. Avalanche came from way up the mountain, crossed the river, went up the hill, like crossed the road up there. See all the trees that broke and snapped, that huge tree, that huge cottonwood. Basically this avalanche introduced a whole bunch of new trees and strainers and debris into the river. So Alaska kayaking in June. What do you think, seal launch?
No.
Do you think this goes from here?
I mean, you can go scout it and I will take videos of you like compressing your spine.
This looks like a proper seal launch. That's probably really tall at the end. If it looks that good, we'll drag back up.
I don't take the boat.
You don't think?
No.
I mean, you're right.
This is Trip Kenny. Doing
Good things. Whoa. Coming in proper. Drop the crack. Yeah. Yeah. All right.
What's that bottom part? Didn't look bad.
Yeah, okay.
Look better than
Okay. Reasonable. I'm gonna try my best not to hit Trip, but I can't guarantee that it won't happen. All right. Well, shall we?
Jimmy J starting his lineup. He's got a good start off the first bit. Good control. Coming down. Some extra strokes. And launch.
Careful in this avalanche debris from all the trees and wood. I couldn't quite see what was in that ledge. I was like, I don't know. This is still pretty clean. I figured there'd be like way more wood in play, but yeah, might have flushed it. I guess you guys are going. Yeah, Little Susitna is like just steep enough where you can't see over the horizon until you get right up to it, and then you can see where you're going. But at that point, it'd be too late to change your mind. So yeah, you're just gonna stick with your line in this river for the most part. Avalanche. Unreal, man. There's so many slides.
Boat, I was at Dartmouth and they had a whole bunch of boats.
Yeah.
So I got to paddle like, I don't know, 8 different creek boats. And I like this one the best.
Ooh, weird water. This is the biggest drop in the river here. I'm gonna check it out real quick though. Woo, that cleared my eyes. Whoop, I am. Woo. Yeah. It's Death Ferry. Yeah.
What's the...
There's like a stick kind of in the middle where you usually ferry across, so we can just stay left. Yeah. Just sneak around everything. Might be a little bouncy, but usually I'll like bounce on the left and just eddy out, you know. Oh God. Oh, there. Sorry, that got way shallower than last time. That's super rocky. Good. Got pretty much one more rapid left. The bridge drop, kind of one of the bigger drops. You can never know where to see it now. I almost rolled in that.
Oh, did you in that bottom?
Oh yeah, I just caught a weird rock. The closest I ever came to flipping in there.
nice. Felt like a nice long one for some reason.
Good.
Yeah.
I think it was the multi-sport sledding.
Maybe that was,
really, you know.
yeah, that was drain the adrenal glands or something. Oh, still a nice level. I don't know.
That was super fun.
Yeah.
I like kind of did.
We're able to float. Oh no. We keep the boats out of the sand. What's up, everyone? We're back in Anchorage. The GoPro battery died right as I got out of the river, and I didn't get to show you guys my one-wheel shuttle back up to the van. I stashed my one wheel in the woods and jumped on it and rode back up to the van where we put in, and drove Trip's van back down. So that's how we did shuttle. Anyway, it was an awesome day, awesome friends, and we'll do it again soon. If you did enjoy the video, make sure to smash the like button down there and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more content like this. And we'll see you on the next adventure.